In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a spike in Jira. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the process to ensure you set up your spike successfully and efficiently. First, begin by navigating to your project settings. You'll want to look for the section labeled Issue Types. The layout might vary slightly depending on your version of Jira, but this is generally found in the side menu within your project settings. It's where you can manage and customize the types of issues that are tracked within your project, giving you control over how you organize and prioritize different tasks. Next, you'll spot a button that says Add Issue Type. Clicking this will allow you to create a new category within your issue tracking. Think of issue types as distinct categories that help you and your team differentiate the various tasks that need to be handled. Now it's time to name your new issue type. In the name field, go ahead and type Spike. A spike is essentially a research-oriented task, and labeling it as such helps your team identify tasks that require investigation or feasibility studies. Following this, you'll need to provide a concise description. For our purposes, let's use a research task to explore feasibility, design, or technical investigation. This description will pop up whenever someone hovers over the spike issue type, providing clarity and context about its purpose. After defining the name and description, you have the option to select an icon that best represents the spike. Changing the icon helps visually distinguish it from other types, making it easy for team members to identify at a glance. Although the choice is largely stylistic, picking an icon related to research or investigation can be both meaningful and practical. Once you're satisfied with the name, description, and icon, click on the Create button. This will finalize the addition of the spike issue type in your Jira project setup. Now that you've successfully set up your spike type, it's time to see it in action. Head back to your project board, the hub where all the tasks and issues get managed daily. You'll now be able to create an issue, selecting spike as the issue type from the drop-down menu, reflecting the changes you just made. With the spike type selected, you'll move on to fill in the specific details of the issue. Provide a clear and informative summary that captures the essence of what the spike is about. A good description here is vital as it outlines the specific goals or questions the spike aims to address. Make sure to populate any other relevant fields to provide a complete picture. Finally, review all the information you've entered, and when everything looks good, click the Create button. Your spike issue is now part of your project, ready to guide research efforts and assist your team in making informed project decisions. And there you have it, your spike is now successfully integrated into Jira, ready to help your team tackle those challenging questions and move your project forward.